Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I'm here with our publisher of Serbia Monthly, Daryl Fidelik. Daryl, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Craig, and greetings everyone out there in the Coffee with Craig viewership world.
All right. Well, we're here at our new Coffee with Craig studio, or we're our first time filming here today, and we in Serbia. So we've got all of our cameras going and lights going. Very exciting today.
It is.
And I see we have the newest edition of Serbia Monthly with us.
That's right. It came out at the end of February. We're covering both February and March in it. We're focused on kind of the tail end of the ski season, but it's still very active.
Right.
Everyone's up. Everyone who's not in Belgrade is up in Koponik or the other ski areas like Jahorina, enjoying the snow while it lasts, and
distributing internationally.
And we also distribute internationally at MIPIM. So the magazine is out and about. It's everywhere. All the finer hotels and restaurants and bars around Belgrade, in Koponik, in Sarajevo. So it's.
And I saw it at the airport in the VIP lounge
exactly.
as well. Great,
exactly.
Great, excellent. Well, good to have everyone here. We got a lot of things going on with the Coffee with Craig show. In 2 weeks, we're doing our SCE Awards, which is in Romania at the Radisson Hotel. So if you haven't booked anything for the Radisson, now is the time to do it. A lot going on there. A lot of over 25 awards, so categories. So a lot happening there, and very exciting times now.
And it's great. While you've been here, we've actually got a lot of interest from the Serbian industries looking to go to Bucharest as well. So I'll probably be leading a little group.
A group across the border.
Excellent. It's the neighbors.
Right. Absolutely. It's the SE region. So great. And then straight after that, we have our Serbia Monthly CEO Awards as well. Yeah, coming up.
Yeah, we have the nominations on May 11th. We're holding it at the Metropole Palace.
Nomination launch party.
Launch party, exactly.
Oh, great. At the Metropole Palace.
At the Metropole,
wow,
exactly.
Best hotel in town.
Exactly. And we absolutely love working with them.
Right. No, that's exciting. So May 11th, if you haven't booked in Belgrade and Serbia, now's the time to do it. Metropole Palace, great place to stay as well.
Yeah. Give me or Craig a ring, an email, WhatsApp or whatever. We're here.
So great. And then in Prague, we have our Marketplace-CEE retail. And we also, in May 25th, we have our Baltic Awards in Sopot. So if you're interested in the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Poland, Northern Poland, Scandinavia, or Nordics, that's a great a place to go.
I'm really looking forward to that.
So this magazine's out, all being distributed, and when's the next one coming?
Next one will be out in May.
Okay, all right. And covering...
We're going to be focusing a bit on Montenegro again. We've got... we'll be distributing at the Yacht Fair in Cannes, and we'll also be following up in Monaco as well. So amazing international distribution again. We will be touching on hedonism lifestyle. I mean, if you're sitting on a yacht, you need the best of what Serbia and the region offers. So we'll be digging up some truffles and pouring some nice glasses of wine. And
Okay, well, that'll kind of wrap up for today. We'll take a little break, and then we'll go straight to Winston for the news in our Warsaw office. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 18th Annual Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards, taking place April 6th at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Bucharest, Romania. If you've not yet booked your tickets, corporate table, or sponsorship, now is the best time to do it. We have over 200 of the most active commercial real estate professionals attending, with over 40% of them flying in for the event. Then in the evening, we kick off the awards with opening cocktails and 5-star dinner and awards ceremony, then late night networking and celebration.
Good Wednesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll start with Echo Investment and AFI Europe, who have presented their latest project on Warsaw's Towarowa Street. The joint investors hope to create an exceptional mixed-use district that follows current urban trends and the investors' vision for a sustainable city. And according to Maciej Grycz, partner at Yems Architecture, he says, "We want the Towarowa 22 project to be a model modern city district built with the current needs of residents in mind and a project that shows respect for its past and concern for its future. And Nicholas Lindberg, CEO of Echo Investment, added, Towarowa 22 is to be our flagship destination project, a large place-making project that meets the needs of Warsaw and will move the heart of the city over to Wola. And AFI Europe's Michal Stepien, he concluded by saying, we always ensure that our developments improve their cities, that they support their growth and bring out their beauty, utility, and heritage. Staying in Warsaw, and Resi for Rent is expanding its PRS portfolio. The company has completed another building in the capital. The new investment is a continuation of the Resi for Rent Warsaw Woronica project, which has been well received by its customers, and it is a 5-story building with 344 subscription apartments. And according to Sławomir Imianowski, president of Resi for Rent, our portfolio of subscription apartments in Warsaw is expanding, and thus we already have more than 1,500 apartments in the capital alone. The Resi for Rent Warsaw Woronica investment consists of 2 buildings, which together offer more than 500 subscription apartments and is in line with the 15-minute city concept. And Resi for Rent currently has 3,300 subscription apartments, and by 2025, the company hopes to increase its offering to at least 10,000 subscription apartments. Moving to the logistics sector, and Peakside Capital signed a lease with DPD Polska, a courier service provider, for 7,000 square meters of cross-dock space at City Point Targowiec. The complex, which will offer last-mile logistics space, is now undergoing a major refurb, and DPD Polska is expected to move into the facility by the end of the year. And according to Philip Devier, he's member of the management at Private Real Estate Partners Group, this lease with a major blue chip logistics company is an important first milestone for the City Point Targowiec project. And Roman Skowronowski, managing director of Peakside Capital in Poland, added, once upgraded, City Point Targowiec will not only be the largest but also the most modern urban logistics park in Warsaw. And finally for today, Rolig Logistics has extended its lease agreement for 24,000 square meters at Prologis Park Piotrków. The lease extension was finalized with the support of the AXI IMO agency. And according to Prologis, our shared focus on the future and on keeping ahead of the curve in our respective industries has bonded us together in an effective partnership for many years. And according to Sylvester Wieczorek, senior facility manager at Rolig, he says, we decided to stay with Prologis due to the high quality of facility management and the location of the warehouse in the center of Poland. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.